everyone, good morning. So here we are going to do the revision of chapter number 11, light, shadows and reflection. So here we have given concept map. So let's go through it. Then we will start points to remember. So first, concept map is there. So what is the name of our chapter? Light, shadows and reflection. So first name is light. Okay, light. Light characterize travels in a straight line. Light source कहाँ से है? The source तो human made candle, tube light और natural sun and stars. Help us to see. Light help us to see the objects. Shadow. Shadow is two types of shadow is there. When light is not passed through the opaque object, forms shadow. Then reflection through the mirror. Characteristic. Necessary condition for formation. Okay. Characteristic. Color. Always dark in color shows dark outline of object, not the detail. Direction. Form in opposite direction to the source of light. Size. Depend on the distance between. Then object and screen. Object and source of light. Position of sunlight. Okay. The emit light that do not emit light on their own. Objects, luminous object and non-luminous object. Sun, lighted bulb and lighted chair, table. ल्यूमिनस मतलब जिसमें से हमें लाइट मिलती है उसको ल्यूमिनस बोलते हैं. बाद में आएगा मटेरियल. सो अलाउ लाइट टू पास completely transparent. Then allow only some amount of light translucent and do not allow to light to pass opaque. Okay. So necessary condition for formation. शेडो अगर फॉर्म करना है तो नेसेसरी कंडीशन क्या होगी? एक तो लाइट होना चाहिए, ओपाक ऑब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए, ओपाक स्क्रीन होनी चाहिए. बाद में पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर. सो लाइट हेल्प अस टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट gives out or emit light is called source of light. Objects that give out or emit light of their own are called luminous object like sun and torch bulb. Objects that do not emit light of their own but are visible when light from the luminous object falls on them are called non-luminous object like chair, book, pencil. तो ओपैक ऑब्जेक्ट जो लाइट को पास नहीं होने देते वो उसको बोलते हैं नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट. एन ऑब्जेक्ट दैट डू नॉट अलो एनी लाइट टू पास थ्रू देम इज कॉल्ड ओपैक ऑब्जेक्ट. सो ऑब्जेक्ट दैट अलो द लाइट टू पास थ्रू देम we can see through them completely are called transparent object. Object that allow light to pass through them partially and we can see through them but not very clearly are called translucent object. Area of darkness form when an opaque or translucent object block the path of light is called shadow. A simple device used to obtain image of object on a screen is called pinhole camera. Pinhole camera can be made with simple material and can be used to see image of sun and brightly its objects. Okay, 11 number. A thin sheet of glass with a layer of silver behind is called mirror. एक थीन शीट होती है जिसके पीछे सिल्वर लेयर होता है जिसको हम मिरर बोलते हैं. वो एक शाइनी ओपाक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो लाइट को अच्छे से रिफ्लेक्ट होने देता है। लाइट ट्रैवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ मिरर गिव्स अ क्लियर इमेज। तो ये थे हमारे पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर। इतना हमारे चैप्टर में कवर हो जाएगा। ओके, सो फर्स्ट सेक्शन इज दैट नेचुरल सोर्सेज एंड मैन मेड सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट। सो इज कॉल्ड नेचुरल सोर्सेज, और जो आदमी ने बनाया ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट। फर्नीचर, एनिमल, प्लांट्स, ह्यूमन बींग्स, पेपर एंड वाटर आर नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट। व्हेन लाइट इज स्टॉप्ड बाय एन ऑब्जेक्ट, it forms a shadow. Objects that allow light to pass through them are completely transparent objects. Light can travel through a pinhole camera. A dash reflects back almost all the light. Mirror. A dash is simple device used to obtain image of object on a screen. Pinhole camera. Dash always travels in a straight line. Obviously light. A piece of glass is a transparent object. Yes. When the rays of light fall on an object and bounce back, it is called reflection. Match the following is there. Luminous objects, lanterns, bulbs and candles. Mirror. Clear image. Sun and stars. Natural source of light. Non-luminous object, moon and all planets. Shadow, always black. Okay. True, false. Transparent objects do not form shadows. True. All the shadow form have the same shape and size. False. A shadow is obtained only on a screen. True. We should never look directly at sun. True. Reflection of tree, building and other object can seen easily in water of pond or lake. True. Can you see any object when you enter a completely dark room? No. List two objects give light of their own. The sun and the stars. How are we able to see an object? We are able to see an object after reflection. Name the categories in which objects are classified on the basis of transparency. Objects are classified into three categories on the basis of transparency: transparent, opaque and translucent. What is a shadow? The area of darkness formed when an opaque or translucent object blocks the path of light is called shadow. What is the color of the shadow form if the color of object is blue? Black. Can you observe a shadow in a dark room or at night when there is no light? No. Do different color objects have different color shadow? Why? No different color object do not have different color shadow, because a shadow is a dark outline of an object. Points to remember में हमने देखा था. What happens to the shadow when we move? When we move, the size of shadow change depending on the distance between object, screen and source of light. What is a pinhole camera? A simple device used to obtain images of different objects on a screen is called pinhole camera. What is formed by a light reflected from an object, image or shadow? ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है तो क्या बनेगा? शैडो या इमेज? ऑब्वियसली इमेज. व्हाट डू यू सी इन मिरर? इमेज. ओके, एक्सप्लेन वाई. लाइट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. हाँ, अगर लाइट नहीं होगी तो हम ऑब्जेक्ट को देख नहीं पाएंगे. सो लाइट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस बिकॉज इट हेल्प अस टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट. विदाउट लाइट द थिंग्स कैन नॉट बी सीन. A rubber ball is an opaque object. A rubber ball is an opaque object because we cannot see through it at all. Can you see a shadow when there is just a source of light and nothing else? No, we cannot see a shadow when only a source of light is present, because we also need an opaque object and a screen for the formation of shadow. Why are the shadows formed sometimes very short and sometimes very long? Shadow forms sometimes very short and sometimes very short because shape and size of shadow varies with the position of the source of light and depends on the distance between the source of object and the screen. Give the reason. Sometimes the shadow of flying birds are visible but sometimes not. Why? Sometimes they are very close to ground and sometimes they are flying very low. So shadow is visible, but when they are flying high in the sky, then shadow is not visible on the ground. So during the eclipse, we should never look directly at sun. We should never directly see the sun, because this could extremely harmful for our eyes. Why can we do not observe our shadow in a dark room? Because in the dark room there is no source of light, and without no source of light we cannot do formation of shadow. So why is the shadow often only on a screen? Shadow occupies three-dimensional volume space which is not visible until it is projected or into reflective surface. So a screen provides a reflecting surface. That is why a shadow of an object often on a screen. What does the pinhole camera consist of? How does the light enter the pinhole camera? A pinhole camera consists of the two boxes, cardboard, transparent screen. Light enters the pinhole camera from the pinhole present in front of the camera in a straight line. What happens when a ray of light falls on a mirror? When a ray of a light falls on a mirror, it gets reflected, that is the mirror change the direction of light that falls on it. डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है ल्यूमिनस एंड नॉन ल्यूमिनस. तो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है जो that emits light its own is called luminous object, and non-luminous, an object that does not emit light of its own, is called non-luminous. So this object do not reflect light into our eyes. Sun, bulb. This object reflect light, table and chair. Okay, now let's see the video.
Light, shadows and reflections. Question number 1. In which of the following material reflection occurs the most? Option A. Glass sheet. Option B. Mirror. Option C. Bulb. Option D. Tube light. The correct answer is option B. Mirror. Reflection occurs mostly in shiny, highly polished, non-absorbing opaque surfaces. Polished silver, gold etc. are very reflective. A glass is a transparent object, but in mirrors, one side of glass is coated with silver making it a reflective surface. Question number 2. Chintu was holding an object in his hand and he was able to see Mintu through the object very clearly. What could the object possibly be? Option A. Cardboard sheet. Option B. Metal sheet. Option C. Glass sheet. Option D. Notebook. The correct answer is option C. Glass sheet. A material which allows light to completely pass through it is called as transparent material. One can easily see objects on the other side of a transparent object. Out of the given options, glass is the only transparent material. So, Chintu would be holding a glass sheet. Question number 3. The reason behind formation of shadow and image is the same. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option B. False. Shadow formation is due to obstruction of light by an opaque or translucent object which causes darkness on the screen behind. Image formation is due to reflection of light rays from an object. These two are completely different phenomena. Hence, it is false. Question number 4. What is the condition for shadow formation? Option A. Shadows are formed when a transparent object comes in the path of light. Option B. Shadows are formed when an opaque object comes in the path of sound. Option C. Shadows are formed when an opaque object comes in the path of light. Option D. Shadows are formed only when a metal object comes in the path of light. The correct answer is option C. Shadows are formed when an opaque object comes in the path of light. A shadow is formed when light is blocked by an opaque or translucent object. Opaque objects, such as a tree, completely block light and form a dark shadow. Translucent materials, such as tissue paper, allow partial light through, which scatters and creates a faint shadow. Transparent objects, such as glass, do not create a shadow because the light passes through them. Question number 5. Which of the following object is luminous? Option A. Mirror. Option B. Moon. Option C. Earth. Option D. Sun. The correct answer is option D. Sun. Luminous objects emit their own light. This light may come to our eyes directly or through reflection by non-luminous objects, enabling us to see. Examples of luminous objects are stars, flashlight, etc. Question number 6. Which of the following object is not transparent? Option A. Smoke. Option B. Air. Option C. Pure water. Option D. Clear glass. The correct answer is option A. Smoke. Among the given, smoke is not transparent because we cannot clearly see things through it. It does not allow all the light to pass through it as it is translucent in nature. Question number 7. Image formed in a pinhole camera is inverted BQs of the rectilinear propagation of light. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option A. True. Light travels in a straight line. Thus, light from the top of the object after passing through the pinhole will reach the bottom of camera screen, and light from the bottom of the object will pass through the pinhole and reach the top of the screen. This will cause inversion of the image. See the image below. Question number 8. Which of the following is necessary for the formation of a shadow? Option A. Glass. Option B. Mirror. Option C. Light. Option D. Air. The correct answer is option C. Light. Shadow is formed on a surface only when the light is obstructed by an opaque object, resulting in illumination of a part of the surface while the part behind the object is dark. So clearly, for shadow formation, there should be a surface, an opaque object and light. Question number 9. Light travels in underscore. Option A. A curved path. Option B. A circular path. Option C. A straight line. Option D. A zigzag path. The correct answer is option C. A straight line. A ray of light always travels in a straight line. It always tends to follow the quickest path between 2 points, which is always a straight line. Question number 10. Which of the following surfaces produces clear images? Option A. Opaque surface. Option B. Unpolished and non-reflecting surface. Option C. Polished and plain reflecting surface. Option D. Transparent surface. The correct answer is option C. Polished and plain reflecting surface. Polished and plain reflecting surface without irregularities and unevenness produces clear images as they cause regular reflection. Question number 11. Which type of object doesn't cast a shadow? Option A. Transparent object. Option B. Translucent object. Option C. Opaque object. Option D. Metal object. The correct answer is option A. Transparent object. For a shadow to be formed, light should be obstructed by the object so that the screen behind it stays dark. Since transparent objects allow light to pass through them, they cannot form a shadow. Question number 12. A body which emits light by itself is called underscore. Option A. Luminous body. Option B. Non-luminous body. Option C. Reflecting body. Option D. Refracting body. The correct answer is option A. Luminous body. Objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Stars, flashlight, candles, etc. are examples of luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are visible because they reflect light emitted by luminous objects. Question number 13. How can we protect our eyes while looking at a strong source of light? Option A. By using a mirror. Option B. By using reflective glasses. Option C. By looking through a glass. Option D. By using paper. The correct answer is option B. By using reflective glasses. Strong sources of light, like sun, emit very intense light which can damage our eyes. In order to look at them, the intensity must be reduced to an appropriate level. This could be achieved by using partially reflective, partially transparent media. Question number 14. Mirror is an opaque object. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option A. True. Opaque objects don't allow the light to pass through them. Mirror doesn't allow light to pass through it. A beam of light gets reflected back after striking the mirror. Question number 15. What can you say about the edges of a shadow? Option A. They are always blurry. Option B. They are always sharp. Option C. The sharpness is high if the light is from a point source. Option D. The sharpness is low if the light is from a point source. The correct answer is option C. The sharpness is high if the light is from a point source. A shadow is a region where light from a light source is obstructed by an opaque object. When a single point source of light is present, the screen behind has a clear dark region. But when multiple sources are present, a part of the screen is partially dark, and a part of the screen is completely dark. This causes the formation of blurred shadow. Question number 16. All stars are luminous in nature. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option A. True. Objects which emit light on their own are known as luminous objects. Stars always emit their own light and therefore are luminous objects. Question number 17. In a completely dark room, we can see our face in a mirror. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option B. False. We can see our face in the mirror only if light from a source falls on our face and then scattered towards mirror, which after reflection comes to our eyes. When the room is dark, no such thing will happen and we won't be able to see ourselves. Question number 18. How can you convert a transparent glass sheet into a translucent glass sheet? Option A. By using glass paint. Option B. By attaching a cardboard sheet. Option C. By attaching a thin metal sheet. Option D. By attaching another glass sheet. The correct answer is Option A. By using glass paint. To make a translucent glass sheet, you have to do something which will allow only partial amount of light through it. In the given options, cardboard and metal sheets makes the glass opaque and attaching another glass sheet will still make the glass transparent. But painting the sheet with glass paint will cause absorption of a portion of light, thereby making it translucent. Question number 19. Both shadows and images require a screen for its formation. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is Option B. False. Shadows are formed when an object blocks the light. Screen is necessary for shadow formation. On the other hand, images are formed due to reflection of light rays by an object. Images formation doesn't always require a screen. Question number 20. 1 nanosecond is underscore. Option A. 1 billionth part of a second. Option B. 1 millionth part of a second. Option C. 1/10th part of a second. Option D. Half a second. The correct answer is Option A. 1 billionth part of a second. A nanosecond is a very short span of time. It is equal to 1 billionth part of a second. 1 nanosecond equals 10⁻⁹s.
Big objects do not allow light to pass through them. Second, transparent objects allow light to pass through them and we can see through them clearly. And third, translucent objects allow light to pass through them partially. Now I want you to answer this question. What kind of an object is a human body? Are we able to see through it? Not really. Hence, a human body is an opaque object. What happens when light is obstructed by the human body? We see that the human body is obstructing light here. There is light in front of the human body, but what do you see behind it? Yes, a shadow. This thing you see behind the body is called a shadow. Now looking at this, can you tell me the things that are required for a shadow to be formed? Two things are obvious. First, a source of light which is in front of the body. And second, an opaque object. Here, the human body is the opaque object. Can you identify any other thing we may need for a shadow? Maybe not. Now let's consider a different situation. In this situation too, we have a source of light as well as an opaque body. But do we see a shadow? No, we don't. Do you know why? Perplexed? Well, had there been a screen behind the opaque object, you would have seen the shadow on it. But because there is no screen or surface like in the previous case, we cannot see the shadow. What does this tell us? It tells us that we also need a surface on which a shadow can be formed. That surface will make us see the shadow. What's so special about shadows? Shadows also give us some information about the object. So if I show you this shadow, you will be able to tell me that it's a human body's shadow. But sometimes they can also be misleading. For instance, can you name the body of which this is a shadow? You'd probably say it's that of a dog, but it's just our human hands playing the trick. Has it ever occurred to you as to why shadows are formed? We know one of the reasons. Opaque bodies do not allow light to pass through them. Yes, that's one of the main reasons why shadows are formed. Another important reason for shadows to form is that light travels in a straight line. We will see its use in our next lesson.